What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I just reached 1,000 subs and you guys know what that means. I will be announcing the Mocha giveaway very shortly, you guys, today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't signed up already, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on IG. Find the post for the giveaway. Comment in the comment section, tag a few friends, and you'll be entered. So you better, this is pretty much the last day for you to sign up. So today, you guys, I got a bunch of Jordan 1s to show you, and a couple, actually an SB and another human race right here. So I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing, you guys. Excuse me for stuttering a little bit. I'm like trying to keep it inside, but very excited that I've reached 1,000 subscribers. So here's the first shoe, you guys. It is the all-white human races. Not too long ago I had the black pair and I did a little comparison with the Ultra Boost, Ivy Park Ultra Boost, but check it out over here, you guys. It's all white. We got the Asian text right here. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese or what it is, but here's the other one. And then you got extra laces, black laces. You got a cool insole on the inside with all the writing and stuff. Your NMD silhouette, but super clean all white pair of NMDs, you guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the all white NMDs or do you prefer the all black human race NMDs? I think I like the all white because I enjoy an all white pair of shoes. Even though they get dirtier quicker, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save the SB for last. I think it's a really dope shoe. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this one right here. I got 3 pairs of these. Actually, before I get into that, I'm going to put these NMDs up here so you guys can look at them while I'm unboxing the rest of the shoes. And I got the Jordan 1 black and gold right here. Extra laces, shiny patent leather all the way around. You got the Wings logo on the side here, and then you also got Nike Air on the tongue, and also Nike Air branding on the inside right here as well on the insole. But these, you guys, these are just, you know, they're super nice. Probably could dress up with these. I mean, with what I'm wearing now, with this black button up, a white pair of pants, and these would look super clean with what I'm wearing right now. For me, it's just really hard to rock on a consistent basis, and I'm letting these pass. I probably hold on to them, but I think they're just really hard to wear, and they're not for me, so I'm definitely letting them go. I'm gonna put these up on the wall as well. Let's take these down right here. Taking down the good stuff, but these are good too. Throw these off the side. And of course, I actually, between a friend and I, we ended up getting like 7 pairs, and I shipped out like 4 pairs already. But here's another pair right here. No sense in showing you guys all of them. Just put them down here for now. And this, you guys, this Jordan 1 came out yesterday, and these things are clean. Like I didn't expect. Even look at this box. It's a Jordan 1 box. It's like a cardboard looking Jordan 1 box. Super clean, you guys. I really like this box. This is a women's shoe, and not everybody knew these were coming out. I checked them out on Finish Line, and they were sold out. I woke up too late, but luckily I walked into the mall the morning of the drop, and Jimmy Jazz had these sitting. So check it out over here, you guys. It's the Jordan 1 CMFT, I think. It's a Zoom. It's a full-length Zoom women's shoe. So you got Zoom Air right there. So if you guys don't know what Zoom is, it's just a really comfortable midsole. They put it in basketball sneakers a lot, and the suede on here, you guys, is unbelievable. Super soft suede panels all around the shoe. You got kind of like an off-white look right here with the exposed foam on the collar, and then you got exposed foam on the tongue as well. And then on the inside, there's a bunch of details in here made in let's see here, there's a bunch of like a Jumpman and a bunch of stuff in there, but Super nice, you guys. Super soft materials, comfortable shoe. For women's shoes are just, you know, they're just knocking them out left and right. And here's also the Wings logo. You can barely see, but it's an all white Wings logo right there. And like I said, just super nice. And of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of these, you guys. And unbelievable shoe. Really like this shoe. I'm just gonna put one of these up like right here with the other Jordan 1s, because I don't feel like unwrapping this other shoe. It's got a ton of wrapping, so I'm just gonna throw this up here and get into the last shoe, you guys. Right here it is. Here, check out the SB box. Ooh, your classic SB box right there. Check it out over here. And this is a recent dunk, you guys. It is the Nike SB Turdunkens. Check them out over here. You got the metallic swoosh on the side right here. You got like a green metallic crazy looking tongue. You got the Nike SB Duck High Pro on the tongue as well. You got the like a peach bottom right there. And then the side panel is like a feather, like a turkey feather type texture. And then you got some fur on the back right here. You got some suede right here on the toe box. Suede or nubuck, one of the two. This could be nubuck on the back too. I don't even know my materials that great, but you got the fat rope laces. And it's just, this thing is like, this is underrated. This shoe is underrated, you guys. And this was a Concepts collaboration with Nike SB. There's my daughter screaming in the background, but that's okay. We got Concepts on the inside here. Is it on this one? Oh, it's on the tongue. Here you go. It says Concepts right there, and then you got the logo, Concepts logo on the inside of the tongue as well. And I thought it was written, oh yeah, it's written in the inside here. And then this one has extra yellow laces. So super clean dunks, you guys. I really like these. I didn't get the special box version, but still, you know, I love the classic SB box. But that's it for the unboxing today, you guys. Just a few pickups. Hopefully you enjoyed the pickups today. Drop a comment and let me know what your favorite was out of the bunch. And I'm just really grateful for all the support so far. And I'll be constantly getting more shoes, and I'll be showing you guys what I got, and I'll continue to give back on my channel, you guys. So I really appreciate you rocking with me if you have this far, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thank you so much. Later.